Dr. Maini was a self made man. During his life's journey, he touched many hearts in many ways, and his family came as refugees from Burma, where he was born. He studied in government schools and college, and thereafter, he did his engineering in the famous Banaras Hindu University. Dear members of the Maini Group, this is the first year of the event without the presence of our founder, Dr. S.K. Maini. While we all feel his absence, I am happy to note that the show is going on. He would not have wanted it any other way. It is 28 years since we had the first Maini Divas celebrations. I am proud to witness the growth of the group on the foundation and values that he had set. I would like to thank each one of you who have supported the vision through the years, worked hard with determination to bring the group to this level.
We integrate the skill of Indians with the technology, best technology from the West. We integrate the culture and heritage of India with the civilization of the West. We integrate the traditions of India with the manners of the West. And the entrepreneurship of India with the systems, organization, and teamwork of the West.
I was 25 when I came to Bangalore and joined Mr. Maini, and thereafter spent 45 years with him in a rare, excellent uncle-boss relationship. We worked together as a team with great understanding. Between 1975 and 81, we tried out a lot of new products and were fairly successful. In 1981, Mr. Maini decided that we need to move forward. He called me and he said, now it's enough and now we need to go out of India. Let us look at Europe. Mr. Maini always looked ahead, rather far ahead. He said to me, if we can supply to BICO and to HAL, then we can supply to anyone. And I would like to start supplying to Bosch in Germany and other parts of Europe. Then he said to me, Vipin, you go out of India, take part in some fair in Germany and go and meet some Bosch companies and let us try our luck getting some trial orders. That day I was totally convinced that for Mr. Maini, sky is the limit. He was always thinking of make in India and supply to the world. Mr. Maini had earned such respect with the Bosch companies in Germany that on our first visit itself, they gave us an order which came in September 82, and thereafter we never looked back. He wanted to make everything, not only the tools for Bosch, but also bigger things like machines, diamond tools, cutting machines, etc. And that is what gave birth to Maini Materials movement, Hensel India, DMU Tools, Abresa, and thereafter aerospace components. I was blessed to be a part of his inner team, very close to him, and shared an excellent relationship, joining him in his success and getting all the love, respect, and understanding which one could get from a combination of a boss and an uncle. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mama.
You must enjoy your work. If you're not enjoying your work, you're wasting time. For 35 years of my industry, people ask me, you have never taken a holiday? I said, I have a holiday all the day because I enjoy every bit of it, what I am doing.
I met Dr. Maini in 2009, about 12 years ago. He would actively participate in the board meetings. He would listen extremely well. He very, very carefully, and he would have a great time to. He would give time to people to explain, people to express, and try to get to the core of the issue very quickly. I would say he was more passionate about electric technology, with the kind of investments, believed in making the first electric car, commercially successful electric car in early 2000, was a testimony to his belief. After sales service, I think he was a great believer of after sales service. He says, you can make the best product, but if you don't look after it after you've sold it, you don't own it after you sold it, then you're really not serving the customer. You're not really looking after your customers, and therefore they won't come back to you. It was a very enjoyable journey with him. Really loved every time I met him. It was a very humbling experience. I can really tell you that. It's been wonderful, and definitely going to miss him a lot.
When I mentioned to Dr. Maini that I may not be what he expected of me, he told me, Mr. Taylor, it is not for you to decide, for we are there to help you achieve the goals that we set for you. And I was accepted, and I lived in the family. My first project was Contact Breaker and Stroboscope, which was a micro project. He said, since the consignment has not yet arrived, you will take up this project and start on it. I finished the project in 3 months. By that time, the consignment had come, and I was shifted to Bommasandra to unload the first consignment from Denmark of pallet trucks and battery-operated stackers. After my retirement, Dr. Maini wanted me to continue to be with the Maini family. He requested me to take over or to help out in conducting the Maini Divas sports and other activities, which up to date I am doing, and I'm happy to do it.
I joined Maini in the year 1991. During my final interview with Dr. S.K. Maini, he assured me that I can grow in this group if I put my effort and sincerity. In the year 2014, Dr. Maini called me to handle Group CSR at HD Kote, Taluk, where I had no idea about CSR. His focus was mainly in improving the quality of life of the villagers and children's education in rural, particularly tribals, which inspired me to take up this project. He guided and trained me to handle CSR. His involvement in this project was so detailed and the follow-up was very inspiring. I thank him wholeheartedly for entrusting this opportunity to me, and I will remember him always.
He was an excellent communicator. He used to communicate in such a way that no one is hurt. Instead, people were motivated after having met him. I remember my first encounter with him was when he called me for an interview. He had not realized that he has an important meeting on that day. He came running to me where I was sitting in the lobby at Maini Southern, and he was so sorry and apologized that he was not able to conduct the interview. He gave me my auto fare up and down and asked me to reschedule this interview at my own convenience. I mean, what a passionate heart he had. That was Dr. Maini.
Engineers and mathematicians will understand. I call mindset as one and technique as zero. No, if you have one, you can add as many zeros as you want. You can make it 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, million. But if you don't have one, it remains zero. You can have 4 zeros or 5 zeros. It doesn't matter.
I will just tell one incident of, very usually chairman will visit our company. Then whenever he visit to our company, he will come to final inspection where we were working. That time, we do not know how he is picking up. He will pick up one part and that particular part may be defect. Wherever we have kept all the good parts, from that only he is taking a bad part, defective part. So we were wondering, when he coming, we are so cautiously doing everything. Again it is slipping one small dent or damage. That particular part only he will pick up when he is visiting to our division. He got a better quality conscious. That's what he is able to pick up that particular part.
One day, my bicycle got punctured and I left the cycle at a cycle shop and was walking home. While walking, I noticed one Ford Taurus car was just coming near me. Then, to my shock, I saw founder chairman in the car. He said, "Nirmal, get in." He told his driver, one Mr. Modi, he said, "Nirmal को जहाँ उतरना है, वहाँ उतार देना." So he was a very down-to-earth person. So although he is not present physically, but still we can see him, we can feel he is there with us, and definitely he is in our hearts.
Very proud that my husband, who has worked so hard to bring all these companies under the Maini flagship, is getting a doctorate from the Loughborough University, the first Indian to get one. I wish him all the best.
The greatest platform was the Maini Divas, which started years back, 30 years back, which gathered families with their employees and the families, irrespective of all their categories and grades, with oneness, which made the families grow more closer to the management. He understood the great importance of the family requirement by supporting them in their financial, medical, and also their educational, making the family grow along with the company.
I look forward to the support by all of you to Sandeep, Gautam, and Chetan as they continue to grow this legacy. I wish you all the health, happiness, and success. God bless.
जियो तो ऐसे जियो जैसे सब जहां तुम्हारा है, मरो तो ऐसे मरो जैसे कुछ भी तुम्हारा नहीं. And she has helped me to live in that style, which I am very grateful again to the Almighty for that.